Kicksecure is one such operating system designed with security and privacy at its core. It's basically a security-focused operating system that aims to provide a high-quality, secure, and private computing environment. It is based on Debian, one of the most stable and secure Linux distributions, and is built on the principle of security by design, which means that every aspect of this operating system is designed with security in mind, from kernel to the user interface. So the goal is basically to create an environment where users can work without worrying about malware, spyware, or other cyber threats. So this is a basic user interface of the Kicksecure operating system. You can view what's on the desktops, you can create new folders. And so in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Kicksecure on Windows using the virtual machine. So just like the way you see here, I'm using it on Windows and it's on the VirtualBox. So first off, when you go to kicksecure.com, you'll have all the documentation about this operating system. You can use it on Windows, virtual machine, Mac OS, Linux installer, VirtualBox, Cubes, KVM, Debian, Crude, and also you can install it directly as your primary operating system. So here you can see the pre-installed applications that it comes with, and then it has got a fully featured advanced security components. So for the installation process, we are just going to follow this documentation. So when you go to download, you can choose how you want to download it on computer, USB installation, Debian. As I mentioned, we are going to be using Windows virtual machine. So we shall use this documentation to guide us. If you're using Mac, you can follow Mac OS. So I'll click on Windows. So from here, you can just click on this to download the Kicksecure XFCE and then also install VirtualBox. So you just basically click on it and then it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded this and that. So we shall skip this part to the installation part. Alright, so after downloading, you can see we have Kicksecure and also we have VirtualBox right here in our setups folder. Now the next step will be to install VirtualBox in our computer, and this is the installation process. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click on VirtualBox setup and then allow VirtualBox installer to make changes to your device. You click yes. After that, it will be preparing to install. So from here, it will ask you, welcome to Oracle. You're going to click next. We are going to leave everything as default. So from here, the location is Oracle, program file / Oracle VirtualBox. So I'll click next. And then we shall click yes and proceed with the installation. Then we click yes. And then here, we leave everything as checked and then click yes. Then after that, we click on install. And then our installation process will start right away. So now you can see it has created a desktop shortcut here on your desktop. But let's wait for it to finish setup. So now the installation of Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox is done. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on finish and then also start the program. So after you're done installing, you have interface like this, and then what we shall do, we shall click on import, navigate to our desktop, choose Kicksecure, open, click next, click finish, agree, and then it will start importing appliance. So it will take a few minutes, so wait for it to finish importing. Now it is done importing, and you will see the interface looking like this. You can see Kicksecure is right here, but it is powered off, and then you can see the name of the operating system. And so after that, I'll just click on start to start our operating system. So from here, it will be powering up in a couple of minutes. So now it will be starting. You'll see something like this. So just give it its time to get started. And tada, our Kicksecure is now installed. So here is and then the default password is change me. You can change this. So let's click OK. And then here is our operating system, which is now running. We can close this. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi. If you want to, you just click on that and connect to Wi-Fi. You can browse to the internet. There is a web browser that right up there that you can just click on it. And this is your browser, and this is your browser. So you can install what you want to install. Let's say Chrome, if you want to. So you can use this whatever you want, and folders, new files within. So to create a new folder, you just click on create a folder, and then so I'll create a new folder and you call it whatever name you want, my projects, and then create. So basically this is it, and this is just how you can install Kicksecure and get it up and running in your virtual machine on Windows. In the next couple of videos, I'll show you how you can work around using Kicksecure. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.